is just around the corner, and that means the start of flu season. But with coronavirus still spreading in the U.S., health officials are preparing for a very busy few months. Channel 3's Kara Sunland has more.
This year has the potential of being a very complicated fall and winter. Keith Grant is a nurse practitioner and senior system director of infection prevention at Hartford Healthcare. Thank you for being with us, Keith.
Absolutely.
We keep hearing that this is going to be complicated. How are you going to be able to tell the difference between the flu and COVID?
Good question. So influenza and COVID-19 have very similar symptoms. COVID-19 does have some differences in that there's often a loss of smell and loss of taste. But in general terms, symptoms are very, very similar. What we will have is a capability of testing, both for flu and for COVID, to find out exactly what a specific patient does have at that point in time.
Okay. And how important is it going to be to get a flu shot this year? I know we like to tell people to get it every year.
Yeah, so flu shot, I think this year more than any other year, I've always advocated, and we've always advocated as healthcare providers for vaccination to include the flu shot. Last year, if you look at the data, it's about between 36 million to about 54 million people infected with the flu. Now, what that looks like with a pandemic that attacks the respiratory system is a more vulnerable host.
When should you get it? Is it ever too early?
Ever too early. So flu season, I'd say December, February is about your peak time for flu season. Sometimes it extends over into May, where we'll see like it tapering off. But the flu shot is effective after about 2 weeks of getting the actual vaccine itself. So if you use that to kind of guide your timeline, it will give you some idea. And it will last generally between 4 to 6 months. So I would normally say get it within, by the end of October, you should be getting the flu shot. Is it ever too early? I think normally flu shots will come out in late September, early October from on the commercial side, so like CVS and different pharmacies. In the healthcare setting as well, it will come out normally within October. It's never too early to get it when it's available. So it's normally available based on the data that we just spoke about.
Right. So, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to want them this year and to get everyone in your family protected as well. So we'll definitely make sure to get that done. Thank you so much for being with us, and we wish everyone a healthy fall and winter.